Linear equation word problems. We're going to do some slope-intercept problems and some standard form problems. You use slope-intercept form when you are given a rate of change, which is your M or your slope, and a starting point, which is your B. You and your friends plan to attend the county fair this weekend. The admission to the fair is $5 and the cost per ride is 50 cents. If your parents give you 20, write and solve a linear equation to find how many rides you can go on. So first we're going to ignore the actual question that they want you to find. We're going to pay attention to the first sentence. The admission to the fair is $5. So that's your starting point. That's how much you have to pay even if you don't ride any rides. And your rate is 50 cents. So this is your M and your B. So your equation would be y equals 0.5x plus 5. That's your equation. Now we're going to use this equation to answer the question. If your parents give you 20, write and solve a linear equation to find how many rides you can go on. So $20, that's how much your total cost is. The X is the number of rides. So I'm going to put 20 in for Y. And solve the equation. So that would be 30. Okay, let's do a standard form problem. For standard form, you use when the problem relates to different objects. Sam ordered 2 tacos and 3 enchiladas for lunch at the restaurant. His bill came to $7.80. If enchiladas were $2 each, write and solve a linear equation to find the cost of each taco. So remember, standard form is AX plus BY equals C. So this is going to be your 2 objects, and this is going to be the total. And then these are your 2 objects. So my 2 objects are tacos and enchiladas. So let's label X as tacos and Y as enchiladas. So Sam ordered 2 tacos plus 3 enchiladas, and his total was $7.80. That's the equation. So now we're going to use the equation to find if tacos were $2 each. If enchiladas were $2 each, how much was each taco? So enchiladas was Y. So enchiladas cost $2. We're going to solve for X. So So that means tacos were 90 cents.